Create the ruffles I want on my peasant dress, what I need to do is increase the stitch length and increase the differential feed. So the differential feed's all the way to 2 and the stitch length is all the way to 4. You don't have to alter that too much, but that's the way I'm going to alter it. Everything else is set to factory setting, so the knife is on 5 and the tensions are normal. But because I'm using a woolly nylon, I had to reduce the tension on that a little bit. Isn't that great? And the next strip as well. Get rid of that. So when you've got all that done, you can stitch that directly to your fabric.